Yazzie.
What's up people, I go by the name Simon aka The Incredible. Welcome to my YouTube channel and I'm going to be your dancing coach. For those of you who want to become a very good dancer and for those of you who are dancing already but you need tips and guidelines for you to become a very professional dancer. Today episode guys, I'll be talking about 2 tips that will help you to become a very good dancer. And number 1 tip is the act of listening to music. You know, as a dancer or as a person who wants to become a dancer, number 1 thing you should learn and you should know is learn to listen to song. Because dance and music go hand to hand. You must learn the act of listening to the lyrics of the song, not just listening to the lyrics but try to know what the song is talking about. So with that, it helps you to build a dance routine for that particular song. And if you are dealing with beats, try to know what the beat is all about. Try to listen to the beats over and over again before bringing any step for that particular beat. Number 2 is the act of discipline. Most dancers and many dancers lack this number 2 thing, which is the act of discipline. As a dancer, you must learn how to discipline yourself very well. Learn to know when to start and when to stop. You know, there's a saying that a good dancer knows when to leave the stage. You understand? Learn to apply the basics of dancing in every routine you do. It helps you build your self-confidence and it helps you know what you are actually doing. Thank you guys and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.